this question, you have given a formula. The formula above gives the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan of P dollars at R% annual interest over N months. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R and N? So this is actually an easy question, but the formula is a big one actually. So we are going to reduce this formula. What we have to do is we have to write P in terms of M, R and N. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking this as numerator and this as denominator. So my numerator is represented by A and denominator is represented by B. Okay, so my equation becomes M equals A by B into P. Okay, now I have to write it, I have to reverse it. That is, I have to find P in terms of A, B and N. Okay, so what I'm doing is M times B by A gives P. Okay, so now I'm going to write what are B and A. So that is M times, what is B? B is nothing but 1 plus R by 1200 whole raised to N minus 1 divided by, what is A? R by 100, sorry, R by 1200 into 1 plus R by 1200 whole raised to N. So this is going to be my P. P equals B by A into M. Okay, so see the option. You have P here. Okay, so P equals B by A. B means you should be writing the denominator, that is 1 plus R by 1200. So this is not the answer. So what about this one? 1 plus R by 1200 whole raised to N minus 1. Yes, this is the denominator B, right? So this is the denominator B, this is the numerator. So you have this option satisfies the condition, that is P equals B by A into M. Clear? Yes. So our answer is option B.